Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. 2025 Crashless Cars: How AI and Sensors Are Eliminating Accidents. Imagine a world where car accidents are a thing of the past. By 2025, this vision could become reality thanks to AI and advanced sensors. These technologies are working together to prevent collisions, saving lives and reshaping how we think about safety on the road. In this video, we'll explore how this innovation is paving the way for crashless cars and why it matters for everyone. The role of AI in collision avoidance. Artificial intelligence is at the heart of crashless car technology, acting as the vehicle's brain to detect, analyze, and respond to potential dangers on the road. By combining machine learning, real-time decision-making, and predictive analytics, AI transforms how cars avoid collisions. Let's break down the key components that make this possible. Machine learning algorithms. Machine learning trains cars to see the road the way humans do, but with a sharper, faster focus. How does it work? Engineers feed massive datasets into the system, including images, radar signals, and real-world driving scenarios. These algorithms learn to recognize patterns that drivers might miss, such as another car approaching too quickly from a blind spot or subtle changes in road conditions. For example, a car equipped with machine learning can identify behaviors like erratic lane changes or an oncoming vehicle running a red light. Once the system notices these danger signals consistently, it begins predicting outcomes and preparing the car to respond. Think of it as having a vigilant co-driver who never blinks or gets distracted. Real-time decision-making. The power of AI lies in the split-second decisions it makes when faced with potential accidents. Traditional driver assistance systems can only issue warnings, but AI goes further, it reacts. Using data from cameras, sensors, and radar, the vehicle processes its surroundings in milliseconds. Imagine you're driving, and a car cuts in front of you unexpectedly. Before your brain has time to process what's happening, the eye has already calculated the safest response. It might apply the brakes, adjust your speed, or swerve slightly, all while anticipating how other cars around you will respond. This isn't just faster than human reaction times. It's smarter. AI balances multiple variables at once, minimizing risks while avoiding overcorrection. It's like having reflexes faster than a cat, combined with the reasoning skills of a chess master. Predictive analytics. What if your car could foresee an accident before it even happened? That's the promise of predictive analytics. By analyzing data trends from your vehicle and nearby traffic, AI can flag potential dangers ahead of time. For instance, if a car 2 lanes over is swerving unpredictably, predictive analytics might calculate a high likelihood that the vehicle could cross into your lane. Based on this, your car can adjust its position proactively, creating a safety buffer before the threat escalates. This capability extends beyond individual vehicles. In connected environments, cars can communicate with each other, sharing critical information about road hazards, traffic flow, or sudden braking. The result? A traffic system that works together to prevent accidents, like a flock of birds moving in sync to avoid a predator. AI isn't just reacting to the present. It's preparing for the future, making roads safer one data point at a time. Sensor technologies enhancing safety. Advanced sensors are the backbone of crashless car technology. They give vehicles the ability to see, hear, and talk on the road. By gathering and processing real-time data, these systems ensure better decision-making and faster reaction times. Let's dive into the key sensor technologies that are revolutionizing vehicle safety. Lidar and radar systems. Lidar and radar are like the eyes of a car, scanning the surroundings continuously. These systems work by emitting signals, laser beams in the case of lidar and radio waves for radar, and measuring how they bounce back. By analyzing the returned signals, the vehicle creates a precise map of its environment. Radar excels in detecting objects at long distances, even in poor weather conditions like rain or fog. It's particularly adept at identifying moving objects, such as an oncoming vehicle or someone crossing the street. Lidar provides high-resolution, 360-degree mapping, making it invaluable for tasks like identifying static obstacles and more complex shapes like pedestrians or cyclists. It's incredibly accurate, even picking up slight changes in road elevation. Together, lidar and radar form a powerful duo. Radar handles distant threats and fast-moving objects, while lidar focuses on nearby precision. This combination ensures that nothing is missed, whether it's a speeding car in your blind spot or debris lying in the road. Camera-based systems. Cameras provide vehicles with a human-like ability to see the world, but with sharper focus and greater range. They capture visual data for everything from reading traffic signs to recognizing pedestrians, other vehicles, and lane markings. These systems are equipped with AI-driven image recognition tools that identify and categorize objects. Traffic signals. Cameras ensure cars can respond appropriately to signs like stoplights or yield markers. Pedestrian safety. They detect people walking near or across the street, even in dim lighting. Vehicle tracking. By continuously monitoring other cars, cameras help maintain safe distances and prevent collisions. Unlike lidar or radar, cameras can detect colors and textures, making them essential for understanding things like road markings or turn signals. However, they aren't perfect on their own, as poor lighting or weather can reduce visibility. When combined with radar and lidar, they complete a multi-sensory safety system that covers all bases. V2X communication. V2X communication takes safety to another level by allowing cars to talk to their surroundings. This includes other vehicles, traffic infrastructure, and even pedestrians with connected devices. Think of it as a chat system for road safety. Vehicle to vehicle. Cars share real-time data about speed, position, and direction to prevent collisions. For example, if a car ahead brakes suddenly, the following vehicle gets an instant notification to slow down. Vehicle to infrastructure. Cars receive updates on traffic lights, construction zones, or road closures. This ensures smoother navigation and reduces risks. Vehicle to pedestrian. Connected devices warn vehicles about people crossing the road, even if they're hidden by a parked car or other obstacle. V2X works like a hyper-aware traffic system, helping vehicles react not just to what they see but also to what's happening beyond their immediate line of sight. The result? Fewer surprises, quicker reactions, and safer roads overall. By combining these sensor technologies, lidar, radar, cameras, and V2X communication, 2025's crashless cars are shaping up to be the most aware drivers on the road. They don't just see and react. They predict and prevent, creating a future free from accidents. Case studies. Companies leading the way. Several companies are making bold strides toward crashless cars, setting benchmarks for safety and innovation. By integrating AI, sensors, and groundbreaking technology, they are redefining the future of transportation. Let's look at how some of the biggest names in the industry are making this vision a reality. Waymo's autonomous vehicles. Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet, is considered a leader in self-driving technology. Their autonomous vehicles rely on a sophisticated combination of lidar, radar, and camera systems to navigate safely. The company has logged tens of millions of miles on public roads, gathering valuable data to refine its systems. One of Waymo's standout features is its emphasis on safety. During their testing in Arizona, Waymo's vehicles demonstrated a significantly lower collision rate compared to traditional drivers. Every decision the vehicle makes is backed by AI that evaluates countless scenarios in real time, ensuring optimal responses. For example, their cars are programmed to recognize small details, like a cyclist's hand signal, or subtle movements indicating a pedestrian might cross unexpectedly. Waymo's safety-first philosophy doesn't just rely on internal systems. They also share results from their extensive simulations, where they've tested conditions beyond what's practical in real-world driving. This proactive approach underscores their commitment to preventing the preventable. That's all for Part 1. We've covered the key technologies behind crashless cars. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll go deeper into the real-world impact of these innovations and how they're already saving lives today. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.